Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 5025. We expected crude oil to stay in buying if the price is moving above 5070. So right after the opening, straight away the price went above 70 and went near 5120 to create a new high. Found various support near 5060 and closed near 5110, and we had a closing higher than the previous days, that was Friday's closing, and closed near the average high. Everything indicates that the momentum is still on the buying side. So what we can do today you can expect crude oil to open somewhere at 5120, so near the average yesterday's high. So still you can expect the market to stay in buying. You need to place stop at 5050, expecting the price can hit 5150, and the next level will be 5200. So we can expect some sort of resistance at 5200 levels. Let's see how things are going. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.